First things first, fuck all y'all. Whoever said I couldn't do it, break your jaws off. Send double shots of me, no sawed off. Smoke that motherfucker till it's all gone. On the phone with success, never gonna end the call. My shit on replay while you on menopause. You couldn't see me even if I was in front of you. I'ma claim the throne now, tell me what you gonna do. Fucking with my bank, then the nigga put a gun to you. Got money for a rainy day and when it's sunny too. It's summertime, in the wintertime I'm outy like an S4, I'll meet you at the finish line. Yeah, going off in this bitch. Like some fireworks, I'm setting off with my biz. Keep it to the left, cause I'm off the new grips. No one touch my money, cause I'm boss of my shit.
Said I'm doing real good, feeling real nice, I put on for my hood. You only got one life, I'ma do it like I should, I'ma do whatever feels right. And whatever you're feeling like, just bring it on back. It's time to let them know